Python coding. Welcome to lesson number 6. Learn what the random module is. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will learn what the random module is, learn how to make the computer pick something randomly, create a heads or tails game, create a guess the number game, create a pet name picker, and learn how to ask the user a question, check the answer, and respond with messages like Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert math input to float, and remember, Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will teach Python how to make random choices, build a heads or tails game, add a guessing part to your game, build a secret number game, and build a fun pet name picker. By the end, you will make 3 mini-games. What does random mean? What is random? Random means we don't know what will happen. Some examples are flipping a coin or rolling dice. The computer can do this too. A new tool in Python. Python needs tools to do special things. Random is a tool that helps us make surprises. When you type this into Python, import random, this line tells Python, hey, I want to use the random tool too. Let's get started. Heads or tails, computer choice. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video while you type. By typing this code into Python, we made a list, heads and tails. The computer picks one. Ask the user to guess. Type this code into Python. Once again, you can pause the video while you type. The computer is asking the player a question. Let me explain. Input asks the user the question. The answer is saved in guess. The computer now knows what the player chose. Check the answer. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Let me explain. If means let's check something. The two equal signs mean are these the same? If they match, you win. If not, you have to try again. This is the full code for the heads or tails game. You can type it into Python if you haven't already. You can pause the video while you type. Let me explain. The computer picks, you guess, we compare, and then we show the results. This is what the final code looks like. Game number 2. Secret number game. The computer picks a number. Type this into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Let me explain. Python picks a number between 1 and 5. Random.randint 1 to 5 means pick a number from 1 to 5. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. It will not go below 1 or above 5. Play or guess. Type this code into Python. Once again, you can pause the video while you type. Let me explain. Input gives us text like 5. Int turns it into a real number. We need this so the computer can compare numbers correctly. Check answer. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. This is what the final code should look like. Game number 3. Pet name picker. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Let me explain. Name is a list of pet names. Random.choice picks one randomly. Pet stores the chosen name. Then the computer picks a fun name. This is what the final code should look like. Common mistakes explained. Forgot input. If your error message says, name error, name random is not defined. How to fix it? Type into Python, at the beginning of your code, import random. This happens because you forgot to turn on the random tool. Randint confusion. What you typed into Python, randomness 1 to 5. This means start at 1, end at 5, and include both numbers. Int missing. You type this into Python. Guess equals input. The problem is Python sees text and not a number. How to fix? Type this instead in Python. Guess equals int input. Any questions? If you have questions, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.